Hi, I'm Gary Lockett and I'm going to be doing a video today to try and encourage the children and the parents, either your mother or your father, to do a little bit of exercise together. I'm just going to be doing a circuit with my 13-year-old son Jack, and hopefully you guys can do it with your parents as well, and sort of spur each other on, okay? So we're going to start off with star jumps, okay? I'm going to do 20 reps. Okay, Jack, you go. Okay, going into press ups, we're going to drop the reps to 15. Good. Okay, you're off then. Okay, moving on to burpees. 15 reps. Okay, moving on to squats, 15 reps.
Fifteen, huh?
Yeah. Sticking with 15, squat thrusts. Moving on to the stomach exercises, alternating V sit-ups. That's 10 each leg, so 20. Hands behind the head. Hands behind the head. Straight, straight, straight. So as you can last one, down to 10 reps, burpees with chest to the ground. Touch your chest on that. There. Then. 3, 4. Come on, go low, 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 low. 5, 6, 7, 8. Arse down. 10. Okay. As you can see, we're out of breath. So that's a good little circuit to do together, encourage each other and cheer each other on. We're going to do another 2, we're going to have a minute rest, and we're going to do another 2. So stay safe, stay at home, and hope you enjoy.